Unit 2 exam review, question number 14. We know the following two commands in Excel, the payment formula and the future value formula. Rate, number of periods, present value, future value, or future value, which is rate, number of periods, payment, and present value. Which of the following Excel commands gives the monthly payment on the house that costs $280,000 with a down payment of $29,475? The loan was a conventional 30-year loan with an annual interest rate of 5.7. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually walk through each of these and then show you what I would have done to find it myself. So the first one is a payment formula. I can see 5.7, and because this is supposed to be a decimal, that tells me that this interest rate is actually 570 because I need to move the decimal over 2 if I want to see the percent. So 570%, dividing it by 12 is good. That means it's a monthly payment. 360 means that there are 12 payments over 30 years. The present value is 0, and the future value will be negative 250,525. So that's what this one is stating. So this one is a payment of a present value of 0 with a negative future value. Here's the next one. So this one is future value. This one has the correct percent. If I move the decimal over 2, it's 5.2%. Divide it by 12. 30 here is missing the number of periods. So 30 would be just over 2 years, not quite 3. So that doesn't give me 30 years. I need to multiply that by 12. This is negative 280,000 with present value of negative 29,475. But you'll see this is future value, not payment, and we want the payment, so I know that's not it. The next one to walk through this one is a payment of, move the decimal over 2, 5.7% for 12 months. The number of periods here is 360. That is 30 times 12. And here we have negative 250,525 and 0. So I wonder where this 250,525 is coming from. Some of you might be wondering that. Now remember, the cost of the house was $280,000, but the down payment was $29,475, which tells me that we've subtracted that in this one. The next one is, again, moving the decimal over 5.7%, divide by 12, that's good. 30. So this one, again, it isn't even reaching up to 3 years because it's supposed to be the years times the amount per year, which is 12. So this should be 360. So this formula right here that is being plugged in isn't for quite 3 years with 280,000 and 29,475 as the present value. The last one again is another future value, which is about moving the decimal over is 570% divided by 12. The divide by 12 is right. The 360 says that it's 12 times 30, which is good. And then the payment they have here making monthly payments of 29,475 for a present value of 280,000. So that's what this one is stating. So out of all of these, this one right here, I haven't subtracted that yet, so maybe I should do that really quick. Just go over and subtract to make sure that that's indeed the correct number. 280, 1, 2, 3, subtract 29,475, yep, so that matches. Everything looks beautiful here. I have the correct percent, months times years, the present value of the loan because I already made a down payment, and the future value of the loan I want it to go down to 0 because I want to pay off the mortgage. So this one is the correct answer.